Vintage, modern, short and tall.
Welcome everyone. We're unboxing Enchanted
Passion-burning
Evening,
day
the
and
Replay the Classics doll.
Yeah, 80s, I guess for the 80th
Their
anniversary. And I did not get
collections
this doll,
are
but I'm going to enjoy John opening and having a look here. She's very pretty.
She is pretty, and I really like the eyes they did on her. And
Mhm.
I knew I'd like this fashion the moment I saw it on her.
Yeah, pretty. I've already checked out the shoes, so I'm looking forward to getting a closer look. I like the lip color, so
Crazy doll
she's cute.
Yeah, she's cute. I mean, she's a Millie, but she's
Yeah, and play it playful.
plain.
Here she is. Beautiful eyes. You were right. They're gorgeous.
Yeah, I was very happily surprised.
You're the only one on the shelf. It was a lucky day. Yeah. It is a very found her. She was the only one on the shelf. It was a lucky day.
Crazy doll people sharing all their doll-sized dreams. Crazy doll people